Good morning children. How are you? Today I am going to explain about our EVS 4th lesson. Do you know what is the lesson name? See here. School is fun. Children, every year in this month we are in the school. Now at present, due to Corona, we are in our houses and you are seeing online classes, videos, you are doing your worksheets, everything. Yes children? Yes. So now I am going to explain about our 4th lesson, that is school is fun. Now we will see our textbook once. Children, this is our EVS textbook. See this picture children. What is there in this picture? Can anyone say? Yes. Teacher, children. This is the classroom. Okay children. See, what do you see in this picture? What we are seeing in this picture? This is a classroom. Okay. Second question. What should you do while your teacher is teaching? What you will do if I am teaching anything? You will listen. Yes or no? What are the other students in your classroom called? What are the other children called? We call them as classmates. They are your classmates. Okay children? Come, let's go and see what is there in our lesson. We learn to read, write, count and work in school. We also make friends in school. There are many people who help us in many ways in our school. The people who teach us in school are our teachers. They teach us different things every day. Our principal helps us too. She or he is in charge of the school and make sure that we have all that we need. The librarian takes care of the library. Make sure that we find the books we are looking for and also helps us find interesting books to read. Okay children, now I'll explain the school and about the school, who are there in the school, the people who work in the school. Okay children, just before I read the lesson, now I am explaining what is there in that lesson. Okay, let's see our today's topic. What is our lesson name? School is fun. In that, first one is school. What is the first one? School. Second one, types of school. What is the second one children? Read with me. Types of school. Third one, different areas of school. What is this? Different areas of school. And fourth one is people who works in school. What is the fourth one? People who works in school. Okay, these are the topics. Now I am going to explain you. Okay children, first one is school. School is a temple where we read and where we write. Okay, so every child will go to school. Most of the children will go to school. Okay, are you going to school or not up to last year? Yes, but now present situation is not good due to Corona. That's why you are staying in the home. Yes or no? Yes. So every children will go to school. In school we learn reading, we learn writing, you play games. Yes or no? PED teachers also, they learn you how to do the exercises. Yes or no? They will learn physical activities to you. Yes or no children? Yes. So you enjoy playing in the ground. Okay children? So school is a place where we learn new things, many things, and what is happening around in the world you will learn in the school only. School is a temple where you learn new things. Okay children. So we have different types of schools. How many types of schools are there? 3 types. Okay. What are they? Do you know? Come, we will see now. What is this? Types of school. There are 3 types of schools. How many? 3 types. Kindergarten, primary school, and secondary school. Okay. See the board. How many types of schools are there? Total 3. First one is kindergarten. Second one is primary school. Third one is secondary school. Okay. Do you know what is kindergarten? Do you have any idea, children? No? Okay. Kindergarten means the children below 5 years. You know, do you hear play school? Yes. It is also called as play school. Okay. The children below 5 years, they will go to kindergarten school. There they will prepare for primary school. They will learn rhymes, how to write lines. Okay. This all they will learn there. And they will prepare for the primary school. Okay. Second one. Primary school. In this primary school, above 5 years. After 5 years, they will join in the primary school. Here they learn reading, writing, okay, drawing, coloring, everything they will learn here. Okay children. Secondary school. The children from 5th class to 10th class, they comes under secondary school. They will learn what is going on entire in the secondary school. Okay. Do you understand children? How many types of schools are there? 3 types. Very good. What is the first one? Kindergarten. Okay. Below 5 years. Which children will read here? Which children will join in the kindergarten school? Below 5 years children. Okay. What they will learn here? They will learn rhymes. They will learn lines, writing, holding a pencil. They all learn here. Okay. Okay children. What is the other name for kindergarten school? Play school. In this school you can play, you can sleep, whatever you can do. Okay. That's why it is called play school. Okay. Primary school. This is the second school. Second type of school. Okay. Here above 5 years. Which children will join in this primary school? Above 5 years. Okay. Here they will learn reading, writing, coloring. Okay. In this primary school, what you will learn? Reading, writing, coloring. Okay. In secondary school, lower age. Okay. From 5th class to 10th class. This children comes under secondary school. They will learn everything what is going on in the world. Okay. These are the types of schools. Okay. Now what is our next topic? Different areas of school. Different areas of school. Children, our school is a big building. Yes or no? In that building we have many rooms. Yes? What are the rooms? Playground, DG room, computer lab, okay, classroom, library, science lab. These are all the areas of our school. Okay. What is the first one? Office. Office. Principal room. Playground. Why I wrote playground first? Because you will enjoy playground now. That's why. Next. Science lab. Computer lab. Classroom. Library. Okay children, these are the areas in our school. First one, office. What we will do in office? The clerk will be there. Okay, cashier will be there. The fees are collected from your parents. Who will collect the fees? The clerk will collect the fees from the office. Yes or no? Principal room, where the principal sits. Yes or no? And talk with the parents. Playground. What we will do in the playground? We will play many games in the playground. Science lab. Do you know science lab? Yes. Higher children use the science lab for the activities, experiments. Okay. Computer lab. So, whenever we have computer theory, practical, we will go to the computer lab and there the computer ma'am will explain you. Yes or no? Classroom. Classroom where the children sit and the teacher will teach us you in the classroom. Library. Library means what? Do you know? The place where all the books will be there. Okay. If you want any new book, you have to go to the library and you have to borrow the book from there. That the place where all the books kept together is called a library. Okay. Next. First one is office, second one is principal room, third one is playground, fourth one is science lab, fifth one is computer lab and classroom, library. Okay children, you understand? I will explain once again. Library means the place where all the books, okay, in one place is called a library. If you want any new book, you have to borrow from the library. After reading, you have to return the book back again. Classroom, where the teacher teaches you, where you sit with your classmates. Okay, that is your classroom. In computer lab, the computer teacher will explain about the computer practicals. In science lab, experiments will be done. Playground, where you will play many games with your PT teacher. Okay. Principal room. Principal room means what? Where the principal will sit and he or she will talk to the parents. Office, where the fees collect. Okay children, this is the places in our school. Okay, now different people who works in our school. Now what is the next one? People who works in the school. What is this? People who works in the school. Children, many people are there in the school who works. Okay, some will do their duties, some will do the service. Okay, some persons are there. They are teacher, principal, okay, clerk, gardener, IMS, sweepers. Okay children, now let's see. First one, principal. Principal. Principal is the head of the school. Okay. What is the work of the principal? He or she will talk to the parents and guide the teachers, and whatever we need, he will provide us. Okay. Who is our principal? Do you know? Mrs. Chakravarti ma'am is our principal. Yes or no? So, principal is the head of the school. Next one is teacher. Do you know who is your class teacher? Yes. Okay. Teacher. In our school there are many teachers. Yes or no? Yes. Number of teachers are there in our school. What the teachers will do? The teacher will teach us. Teaches us how to read, how to write, good manners, everything. The teacher will teach us many things. Drawing, coloring, okay, music, dancing, everything they will teach us. Okay. Next. Third one. Who are there in the office? Clerk and cashier. Okay. Clerk and cashier. What is the work of that cashier and clerk? They will collect the fees from your parents. Okay. Cashier. They will collect the fees from your parents. Okay, children. Next. Security. What is the work of the security? He or she has to guard the school. Okay. Security will guards our school. Okay. Next. First one is principal, head of the school. Teacher teaches us. Librarian. What is the work of the librarian? She or he has to take care of the books, and he has to enter all the records, maintain the records, who is taking the books and who is borrowing the books back, who is giving the books back again. Okay. Librarian means he takes care of the books. Okay, children. First one is principal, teacher, clerk or cashier, security man, librarian. Okay. Principal. He is the head of the school. He will discuss with the parents. He will talk to the parents. Okay. And he will guide us. Okay. He will provide us all the things which the teachers, IMAs and everyone needs. Okay. Teacher. Teacher. What is the work of the teacher? What is your teacher doing now? What I am doing now? I am teaching you. Yes or no? What I am teaching? Teacher will teach us lessons, good manners. Okay. How to read the lesson. How to behave. Okay, children. So these are all will teacher teaches you. Office. Who are there in our office? Cashier and clerks. What is the work of the cashier? He or she collect the fees from your parents. Okay. Security man. We have security man in our school? Yes. He guards our schools. Okay. Librarian. They are in the library. Okay. He works in the library. And what is the work of the librarian? He takes care of the books. Okay. He lends the books to the children and again he takes the books back. Okay. These are the persons in our school. Next is sweeper. PEPs. What is the work of the sweeper? Cleans the classroom. Sweeper means she want to sweep the room, keep the office clean, everything she will do. Clean the classroom as well as school also, office room also, everything she will sweeps. Okay, she keeps all the rooms and our school always clean and neat. Next, PET. PET means they are also teachers. They will show you how to do exercises. Okay, activities. Okay, children. Okay, so children, so there are many members who works in the school: principal, teachers, clerks, cashiers, okay, gardeners. What is the work of the gardeners? They keep our playground clean and neat. Okay, so these are the following members who works in the school. Okay, so there are some activities we will do in our school. What are that activities? We do many activities. Yes sir? On Friday we have dance class, we have music class. Yes or no? Children, we have taekwondo, everything, karate. These are the activities which are there in our school. So not only activities, many functions and festivals also we are celebrating in the school. So that all festivals and functions gives us fun and we will enjoy a lot in the school. Yes or no? Yes. So what are the functions and festivals we are celebrating in the school? We are celebrating religious festivals and national festivals. We celebrate 15th August, we hoist the flag, we celebrate 26th January, also Republic Day. Yes or no children? They distribute the sweets. Yes or no? We will enjoy everything in our school. You have friends in the school. Yes or no? So teachers also helps in everything to you. They guide you, they teach you. Okay. Children, you have to be very good in the school. You have to follow some rules and regulations in the school. Okay. So you have to be very silent in the classroom. You have to be very disciplined. You have to come to school regularly. Okay. You have to do the homeworks. You should not push your friends. You should not run in the corridors. Okay children. Okay. You have to be very friendly with your friends. Okay children. Now points to remember. These are the main points you have to remember. First one, school is a temple where we learn reading and writing. Okay, this is the first point you have to remember. School is a temple where we learn reading and writing. Okay. Second point, there are 3 types of schools. How many types of schools are there? 3 types. First one, kindergarten. Second one, primary. Third one, secondary. These are the types of school. Okay. Our third point is what is our third point? Many people works in school. Okay. Many people works in school. Just before we discuss now, I explained to you who are they? Principal, teachers, gardener, security man, okay, librarian, cashier, clerks, IMS, these are all the people who works in the school. Okay children. So, fourth point, you have to be very disciplined in school. Okay. So, next, everyone love the school? You will enjoy in school? Yes. So, are you loving your school? Yes. Are you missing your school? Yes. So, we perform many activities in school. Etc. What are the activities? Karate, taekwondo, okay, music class, dance class, everything we are performing. Yeah, okay, these are the points you have to remember. Okay, first point is school is the temple where you are learning many things. Reading, writing. Okay, there are three types of schools: kindergarten, primary school, secondary school. Third point is many people works in our school. Fourth point is you have to be very disciplined in school. Okay. Fifth point is we perform many activities in school. Okay. So now a small quiz for you. Gardener, cashier, teacher, staff room, library. Okay, now you have to answer this. Where books will be there. Next, where teachers sit and discuss. Collects fees. Takes care of garden. Teaches us many things. Okay, this is the quiz for you. You have to say the answers now. Okay, how you have to say just before you listen to all the class now? Yes, what is the first one? Gardener. 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 See this side all, group B, and say to me, what is the correct answer for gardener? Where books will be there, or where teachers sit and discuss, collects fee, takes care of the garden, teaches us many things. Which one is correct? Takes care of the garden. Very good. A, B, C, D, E. Which letter we have to write here? Takes care of the garden. D is the correct answer. Okay. Cashier. What is the work of the cashier? Collect the fee. Very good. So C is the option. Teacher. What is the work of the teacher? Teacher teaches us many things. Okay. What is the letter here? E. Okay. Staff room. What the teachers will do in the staff room? All the teachers will sit in the staff room and they will discuss about the lessons and some topics. Okay. Staff room means where the teacher sit and discuss. Answer is B. Okay. Library. What is left? Library means where books will be there. Number of books. Okay. Okay, children. Be safe in your home. Don't go outside. Okay. I hope you understand the lesson. Be disciplined. Always be good. Thank you.